Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English on the Way, the fun and easy way to learn English. I'm Charles.
Hello, Charles. Hi, everyone. I am so happy to be here with you all today.
It is great to see you, Rachel. Look out the window today. It is really dark and wet outside.
I know, right? It has been raining all morning long. It is very gray today.
Yeah, it really has. Do you like this kind of weather?
I actually do. Sometimes a rainy day is exactly what I need to slow down.
Exactly. So that is our topic for today. We are going to talk about rainy days and our favorite memories.
That is a wonderful topic. There's so much good everyday vocabulary we can learn.
Absolutely. Let's start with the rain itself. How do we describe it when it falls?
Well, right now, it is just a very light rain. We call that a drizzle.
A drizzle. That is a great word. It means the rain is very soft and slow.
Yep, you can walk in a drizzle and not get too wet. It is quite nice.
But what about when it rains really hard? What do we say then?
When it rains really hard, we say it's pouring.
Pouring, yes. If you go outside when it is pouring, you will get completely wet.
Oh yeah, totally. You'll be soaking wet in 1 minute.
Do you remember getting soaking wet when you were a child?
Oh, for sure. When I was a kid, I loved playing in the rain.
Me too. We never cared about getting wet when we were young.
Exactly. We used to jump in puddles. Do you know that word?
Yes, a puddle. A puddle is a small pool of water on the ground after it rains.
Kids love puddles. I used to put on my rain boots and jump right in.
Rain boots are so important for that. They are big rubber shoes that keep your feet dry.
Right. But I usually got water inside my boots anyway.
Of course, because you were jumping too hard.
Exactly. What about you, Charles? What did you wear in the rain as a child?
My mom always made me wear a bright yellow raincoat.
A yellow raincoat? That is so cute. I can picture that perfectly.
Yeah, it kept me very dry. A raincoat is a special jacket just for the rain.
Did you carry an umbrella too?
No way. Kids do not like to hold umbrellas. They want their hands free to play.
That is so true. Umbrellas are for adults who want to protect their hair.
Exactly. As adults, we try so hard to stay dry. It is funny how we change.
It is. Why do you think adults do not like getting wet in the rain?
Well, adults usually have to go to work or do important things.
Right. Walking into an office with wet hair and a wet shirt is not very fun.
No, it is not. But there are still things adults love about the rain.
Absolutely. My favorite thing now is staying inside when it is pouring outside.
Oh yes, that is the best feeling. We call that feeling cozy.
Cozy. That is one of my favorite words in English. It means feeling warm, comfortable, and safe.
When it is cold and wet outside, your house feels so cozy.
It really does. I love to put on a soft sweater and make a hot drink.
What is your favorite hot drink for a rainy day?
Oh, definitely a big cup of hot chocolate. What about you?
I like hot chocolate, but I usually drink hot tea.
Tea is perfect. You sit by the window, drink your tea, and watch the rain fall.
Exactly. It is very relaxing. Sometimes I even read a book.
Reading a book on a rainy day is the best, or watching a good movie.
Movies are great for rainy days. And you know what else is great on a rainy day?
What's that?
Staying inside and watching YouTube. So, if you are enjoying this conversation, please take a second to like this video.
Oh yes, And make sure to subscribe to the channel so you never miss a new English lesson.
Exactly. And please share this video with a friend who is learning English with you. It helps us a lot.
Also, leave a comment below. Tell us, what is your favorite thing to do on a rainy day? Do you go out or stay home?
I love reading the comments. Our listeners always have such great answers.
They really do. So, Charles, let's talk about the sounds of the rain.
Oh, the sounds. I love the sound of rain hitting the roof.
Me too. It is like nature's music. It makes me feel very sleepy.
Sleepy, yes. A rainy afternoon is the perfect time for a nap.
Absolutely. Taking a nap while it rains is a wonderful luxury.
But what about thunderstorms? Do you like thunder and lightning?
Thunderstorms are very different. They are loud and strong.
Yes, thunder is the loud noise, and lightning is the bright flash in the sky.
Were you afraid of thunderstorms when you were a child?
A little bit, yeah. The thunder was so loud, it would shake the house.
I know, right? My dog is still afraid of thunderstorms today.
Oh, poor dog. Animals do not like loud noises.
No, they do not. But I think thunderstorms can be beautiful to watch from a safe place.
I agree. Watching the lightning light up the dark sky is amazing.
So, we talked about cozy feelings, but does the rain ever make you feel sad?
Sometimes, yes. If it rains for 3 or 4 days in a row, I feel a little sad.
Yes, we call that feeling gloomy. The sky is gray, and you feel a little gray inside too.
Gloomy is a perfect word. When there is no sun for days, things feel gloomy.
And sometimes the rain ruins our plans. That can be frustrating.
Has the rain ever ruined a big plan for you, Rachel?
Oh, for sure. Last summer, I planned a big picnic in the park with my friends.
Oh no. Let me guess. It rained?
It didn't just rain, it was pouring. We had to cancel everything.
That is so disappointing. What did you do instead?
We moved the picnic to my living room. We ate sandwiches on the floor.
See, that is a great memory. You changed a bad situation into a good one.
Exactly. We just had to go with the flow.
Go with the flow. That is a great idiom. Can you explain it?
Sure. Go with the flow means you accept the situation and do not fight it. You just relax.
I love that. When it rains, you just have to go with the flow.
Exactly. You cannot control the weather, so you just change your plans.
You know, learning English is a lot like dealing with the weather.
Oh, how is learning English like the weather, Charles?
Well, some days the sun is shining. You remember all the words and speaking feels easy.
Oh, yeah, I know those days. You feel so confident.
But other days are gloomy. You make mistakes, you forget words, and you feel frustrated.
That is so true. It feels like a rainy day in your brain.
Exactly. But you cannot quit just because it is raining.
Absolutely. You just have to put on your raincoat, grab your umbrella, and keep going.
Step by step. You just have to be patient with yourself.
That is beautiful, Charles. After the rain, things always grow.
Yes, the rain helps the flowers grow, and making mistakes helps your English grow.
I love that so much. So if you are having a hard day with your English, do not worry.
Never give up. Just go with the flow and keep practicing. You will get there.
I totally agree. You just have to believe in yourself.
Speaking of practicing, we learned a lot of great words today. Let's do a quick recap.
Great idea. First, we talked about types of rain. A light rain is a drizzle.
And when it rains very hard, we say it is pouring.
We also talked about what to wear. You can wear a raincoat or rain boots.
And you can carry an umbrella to keep your head dry.
Then we talked about feelings. Staying inside feels warm and cozy.
But if it rains too many days, the weather can feel gray and gloomy.
Finally, we learned a great idiom. Go with the flow.
Yes, relax, do not stress, and just accept the situation. Go with the flow.
Those are such useful expressions for everyday life.
They really are. And now it is time for a fun practice conversation.
I love this part. We will use the words from today so you can hear how they sound together.
Exactly. Let's imagine we are friends looking out the window on a weekend. I will start.
Perfect. I am ready when you are.
Hey, Rachel, did you see the sky outside? It looks really dark.
Yeah, it does. I think it is starting to drizzle right now.
Oh no, I wanted to go for a walk in the park today.
I don't think that is a good idea. Look, now it is really pouring.
Wow, you are right. If we go out there, we will be soaking wet.
Exactly. And I do not want to put on my rain boots and raincoat today.
Me neither. I guess we just have to go with the flow and stay inside.
I am happy with that. We can make some hot tea and be completely cozy.
That actually sounds perfect. I'm not gloomy about this rain anymore.
Me neither. Let's enjoy a cozy afternoon at home.
And scene. That was a great practice conversation.
It was. I hope our listeners practice saying those words out loud at home.
Yes, practice is the key to speaking naturally. Try using these words this week.
Remember, everyone makes mistakes, but every step is progress.
Absolutely. Thank you all so much for spending your time with us today.
Yes, thank you. Please remember to like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment.
Keep learning, and remember, you can do it.
Bye, everyone. See you next time.
Goodbye.